Yeah, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Friday, the 1st of May 2020. It is 4:43 p.m. local here in Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts. The new candle was at 4 p.m. and like this morning, there was a fair bit of work. Not as much as this morning, but there was a bit. So let's get into it. This is my watch list on the right on TradingView. These are all the pairs I'm trading. The ones highlighted in orange are the ones I'm going to discuss in this video. The ones in blue I've got trades on, and the ones without any highlight, which is only the one, no trades. So we'll have a look at the first cab off the rank, AusCAD 12-hour. This is the high probability setup. There's been plenty of videos on it, so I'm not going to go through it all at the moment. I've got a bit of a headache. The sun's got to me. All right, what have we done here? Taken a sell. This is a second sell in this sequence here. So there's a sell here. Sells are the red lines and buys are blue. You can stop and pause the video, read my notes. So I've taken an initial sell here. I took a hedge buy, and the MACD's basically stayed above the zero level. The MACD Platinum's this indicator here, which is just a zero lag MACD, the zero level being that dotted line. Stayed above it. It's broken through it now. Yeah, I've got to take the trade. It's a there's regular bearish divergence there also. This blue trend line just shows a sort of a double top resistance level, which seems to have held at the moment. This is my overall break even, this yellow dash line. So hasn't got far to go. So that was a second sell for a bigger position size at 4 p.m. Hopefully that'll go all right. Moving right along, CAD Swiss. Now this is something I think I was stopped out on earlier in the day between my morning. Yeah, I was in I can't remember what it was. Hang on a sec. A buy stopped out. Must have been a buy in here. I was in a buy trade. Possibly this one in here. I'd already gone up through the MACD Platinum. I'd closed half and I had a stop in place and I got stopped out. And it was a massive $2.32 profit, which has been added to the profit to date. And as you can see, I've tidied all this up, and this is now dropping down through the overall break-even levels, and the MACD Platinum still above the zero level. So looking all right on the CAD Swiss. So it's just that old buy stopped out. CAD Japanese yen, CAD yen. What have I done here? New sell signal. There's a QMP red dot there. MACD Platinum's above the zero level. And at least today I remembered, or this afternoon I remembered to take the new trades. So there's two trades taken on this same candle. There's a second hedge sell. Look, this initial trade here, this buy, sequence one, again, you can pause the video, so just this top part. There's an initial buy, hedge sell, second buy. This little spike actually went through my overall break even, but it just happened that quick I couldn't even get to it, and now it's fallen away. So I've taken a hedge sell on this sequence and a new sell trade on this sequence. So that's the second sequence started there. Overall break even's down here, but that doesn't really concern me too much. If it drops away through there, great. But that's not what the plan is. The plan is now to concentrate on this trade here, this new trade, and try and get a few pips out of that, then I'll roll over and take another buy to clear this sequence. So that's a CAD yen. Moving right along, USD CAD. The notes are all over the place today for some reason, and now the computer's jammed up. She needs a rest, I think. This laptop gets hammered 24/7. It's an off-the-shelf type. Oh, geez, what's going on here? Off-the-shelf type laptop, and I've got Firefox running with about 15 tabs, Chrome with about 3 pages with 10 tabs on each. Anyway, I digress. USD CAD took a new buy in here today. MACD Platinum's below the zero level. Got this little support level here, blue trend line. Red trend line's a bearish divergence. Blue is something I'm just looking at. Green are obviously bullish. So I've already got a sell on here, and it's got a stop in place. Didn't really get much out of that sell. So I've taken a buy, got a partial hedge. Overall break even is this yellow line, and because I'm net plus 0.01, as long as price stays above that yellow line, I can close both trades and I'll be profitable. So it's a new buy. I like the support level. Comes to the 100 EMA there. Not too bad. Look, it's got to break this previous high though to be convincing. USD Swiss franc. What did I do here? Oh, yeah. We're in a nice sell here with this nice little double top up here. You know, the more I look at double tops now, the more I like them. I've been saying it for years though. So it went against me initially, but fell away nicely. Now the MACD platinum's through the zero level. So remember, I'm looking to sell when it's above the zero level and buys when it's below. It's come through the zero level here on the last candle. So play it safe, close half, put a stop in place. So the red dotted line's my stop. So close 0.01 and put a stop in place. And that profit on, massive profit on that was $14.77 has been added to that list. And finally, USD Singapore dollar. I think we've taken a new buy here. Yeah, we've got a new buy signal here this afternoon. You can see the regular bullish divergence. And the buy here, MACD platinum's below the zero level. So not only have I taken a third buy on sequence one on the same candle, also taken a new sequence 3 buy trade. So I remembered again. So we've got a few trades on now, sequence 1, 2, and 3. 2 is just a standalone sell trade. It's got a stop in place. Actually, it stops. Really should be moved down. Oh, also, yeah, I closed. What did I close? I closed another 0.01 on the second sequence there. So that gave me a profit of $11.33, which has been added. This is only a new pair I'm trading on the 4 hours, so that's why it hasn't got much in the way of dollars, but we're getting there. So overall break even for all trades is at 141,817, which is the bottom yellow line. So it hasn't got far to go. And the top yellow line's the break even for the sequence 1 only. So that's it in a nutshell, folks. That's the 12-hour charts. All the spreadsheets been updated. Every trade I take here, it's recorded on a shared spreadsheet. The link to that shared sheet's in the description of the video. Everyone's more than welcome to check it out. And if you do like these videos, please hit the like button or the subscribe button. That'd be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching these videos. I know they're not the most exciting videos on the planet, but hopefully I'm getting the concept across and it's pretty clear. Like I said, if I talk too quick or you can't understand the Australian language, pause the video or slow it down. Even if you've got questions, email me at admin@JAGfx.com. Contact me via Facebook or Telegram or whatever. More than welcome to help out where I can. It's the weekend. This will be the last video. It's Friday. It's just once I tidy this up and deal with a few inquiries, it'll be time for a beer or two. And I don't think there's much in the way of news tonight, so no, it'll be pretty easy. I'll just have my phone with me. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the weekend all. Stay safe. Cheers.